Hello everyone, welcome to yet another card opening here on Simon's Card Hut. My name is Simon, and today we're gonna be opening the last box for Magic the Gathering Final Fantasy, and it's yet again play boosters, because collector boosters are very expensive. And well, it's very fun for you because you get to watch one video every week. This is the 5th box I'm opening on the same day. So I hope I don't sound too exhausted, and I'm still excited about everything that we get. Like, for example, the Earth Crystal. Actually, yes. Not so excited about the Lightning Bolt, but that's okay. I just notice. I think it looks different sometimes. Huh. I'm gonna have to recheck that. Hope that it's not just a case of the printer ran out of ink or something. Let's see. We have a Summoner's Grimoire and a Lucca Stadium, also known as the Strixhaven Stadium. On to the next one, where we get a Machinist's Arsenal. Very nice, even for it's the 3rd in total. On to the next one. Where we have the Masamune. And that's it. And on to the next one, where we have an Etir and Priven extended art. Lovely. And that's it here. And on to the next pack, where we have a Summon Girlfriend Cerberus. I know it's Guardian Force. But it's more fun that way, and we're here for fun. And we're gonna have fun at Clive's Hideaway, and with Luswa Sacrifice, that's what he's called now. Luswa. On to the next one, where we have a Cypher Almasi. And on to the next one we go. Where we have a Gilgamesh Master at Arms, a Kenrith the Returned King, also known as Noctis Lucis Calum. Always good to have those. Returned Kings for all your 5-color decks where you don't have a commander for. He's a generic good 5-colored commander. On to the next one, with a Sash Katsuri, a Wall of Omens. And that's it. Next pack. We have a checked Reluctant Guardian, and of course Braska's Final Ian. Not gonna spoil any story elements. Go and play games. It's fun. We have another Sid. Always good. We have a Summoned Titan. Another chill. Shiva's Dominant. Regular art this time. Yet again. And we move on to the next pack. Let's see what we get. We get an Arif, Gainsborough, and that's it here. On to the next one. With an Ishgard, the Holy Sea, and a Varagov, Blood Sky Sire, also known as Ardin Isunya. On to the next one. Where we have a Summon Guardian Force Severus. And that's it. Next one. We have a Clive. Yes. That's one of the ones that I still wanted to have. Ifrit's Dominant. And then, of course, Ifrit, Warden of Inferno. Yes, very nice. Still no Vivi and no Yuna. Maybe soon, maybe not. Who knows? Balti and Fran. They're just not very exciting. For me, that is. On to the next one. Where we have an Hope Estheim and a Azusa Lost But Seeking, also known as Princess Sarah from Final Fantasy I. I have no idea of Final Fantasy I, I'll be completely honest. At least I think I don't. On to the next one. Is this blasphemy? We have Kusha, Genome Sorcerer. We have Esper Origins in extended art. And then, of course, Summon Esper Maduin. And that's it. On to the next one. Here we have another Machinist's Arsenal. We have a Finn, the Fangbearer, also known as Vayne Garuda's Solidor. And on to the next one we go. And we have a Dion, Bahamut's Dominant. And of course Bahamut on the other side. Next one. We're gonna have a Vincent Valentine. That's also a cool one. And then a Galleon Beast on the other side. Foil Dion, Bahamut's Dominant. Back to back. And now we move to the next pack, where we have an Ultima. And that's it. On to the next one. With a Lindblom, Industrial Regency, and Edgar, King of Figaro. And that's that. Next one. We have a Triple Giant. And that was all. On to the next one. Where we have a Summon Brynhilde and a Counterspell. as Wild Rose Rebellion. A foil Memories Returning. Very cool. Next one. Let's go. Summon Bahamut. Let's go. Yes, very nice. 3 packs left. Let's see what we get. A Buster Sword. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Second to last pack. We get another Esper Origins. And we also get a Crown, Ludwig's Opus, also known as Barnabas Tamr. Sue me for mispronouncing the name. Like I said, sometimes during the Final Fantasy openings, I did not, definitely not play all the games there were. For which I apologize. Because of that I'm butchering names. But Memories Returning, I definitely don't butcher. And Voka, also not. And the foil Chill, Shiva's Dominant, I will also not butcher. And Shiva, Warden of Ice, in foil. Lovely. So, this has been yet another Final Fantasy unboxing. Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. And I shall be seeing you at the next one.